guys, so today we'll be continuing Halo 3 and we'll be playing the Storm mission. Let's get started. Reclaim the city, make a way. This speed run in 15 minutes, we'll get 1,500 points. 15,000.
Sure you tell everybody to follow. Tell your grandma, your dog, anyone.
Your grandma?
Chief, Providence has found the ark. Our only chance of stopping it is a surprise aerial assault. Clear this sector of Covenant anti-air defenses. Make a hole for the Admiral's ships. Louis Hunter, he is out.
Oh, I'm in the car.
Destroy first anti-air raid.
Ready when you are, Chief. Open the door, take point, we'll cover you with the 50.
With my gentle encouragement, our Lord slowly running the springs to watch.
Is Truth a good guy or a bad guy? Oh, my bad, didn't mean to break that. Is he a good guy or is he a bad guy?
That was a lot of people dying at once.
Open the door, we can roll on through.
He's pretty much the one that
Kill!
Oh yeah, I like him. Oops, I didn't mean to throw another one. That was a waste. Look, we got new whips.
Atmospheric disturbance is intensifying above the artifact, Admiral. Moving as fast as we can, sir. I know we'll get it done.
Oh my goodness, right. I think what you did is you did it to like get used to the game. To just got it. I could be wrong though, I don't know anything about games. Oh, we got a new whip. Did someone steal it? Oh. No. Shit happens.
Attaway, Chief. Target destroyed. To the next area, over.
Where's the next area? I don't know we're gonna lose our whips. We're good, I didn't die. I built it.
I'm glad he's on our
Let's
side.
hustle.
Don't worry, I destroyed my car by accident.
The demon! The demon! I'll take you down!
I think you're talking about. Look at that, they're all gone. Missing, every shot is crazy.
Check your fire! It's the chief!
Oh shit. Well. No, not my whip!
We'll nail him with the 50!
Aw. Wait, it's not destroyed yet. No, it's not destroyed. Yes! Got my whip. Stop trying to break my whip. Dumb. I'm out. I fell off.
Left for help, buddy.
Live and live. Hell yeah. Oh, sorry. just came up the stairs. What happened?
Keep moving!
I think it's all clear.
Dang it. I keep falling off my car. Or what is this? I keep falling off my ghost.
We're down to our last mag, sir. Thought those last ones had us.
Open the door.
What are you playing at?
I have defied gods and demons.
Katana, we're trying to fight, okay?
Mount up, rockets in back.
You can tell us your sob story.
I've got the wheel.
Sob story.
Got anti-air raids. Next link, bitch.
No, I needed
One
that.
down, one to go.
Did you die?
Come on, Mike. Come and get out.
Car? Oh my word.
Stop it, stop it.
We did it. I'm a Timo. I don't think I said that right. Take everything that looks like fun. Come on and do something I was missing. Grenades. I can't even say it right. Dang, bro's doing parkour. He's doing skateboard tricks with whatever that is. No, not about that life. Get him, get him, get him, get him, get him, get him. Oh, oops, I may have killed one of us. Maybe. It's a free for all at this point. Judgment. It's getting closer.
Find some cover. Now.
Find cover. Oh my gosh. That was scary. Oh my gosh, he was so close. Is this a bad guy? I don't think us shooting it's gonna do very much damage. What's that? No! You better not step on me! You better not! You better not step on me! Try to get me. Barely shooting at me. Oh man, I'm dead. Oh no, I'm not dead. Sorry. Thought. Find a way inside. Find it inside. Didn't they just say find a way inside? Oh my gosh! I almost died. If I wasn't in the car, I probably would have died.
Sending in a few helicopters.
got this area locked down, sir. Follow us. We'll get you through.
Help!
It'll be different. I'll figure it out. No. I won't figure it out. Now I'm stuck. Well,
I am your shield. I am your sword.
sword.
Somebody give me some morphine!
Sorry. I don't have any.
All brute cruisers are pulling back to truth ship.
I'm on the
Wind
turret.
inside the storm just hit 200 kilometers per hour. Energy cascades
never knew
all
what
over the
hit it.
artifact.
A lot of good memories.
Is it good memories?
Help on the way!
Trust in thy Lord. I knew you were gonna say that.
Oh, hell no! Grenade!
Hey!
Eat it!
Originally in the Halo created it.
Oh, kinda cool.
Right on! Hold it! Keep moving!
I'm popular opinion, but I don't like open world maps with zombies. I like those level things. I don't know if it's is that an popular opinion? I don't know. I know a lot of my friends like it, and I don't. Yeah, I think it's a new Call of Duty for sure. I don't know. I don't like it. Like, do you like that you have? I think they're called like little missions, or like also. The mission things are cool, but I prefer the level-based ones.
Over here!
Lashing fire of all that remains for then when we, the worthy, have passed beyond.
Teleported? I don't know. It's not bad. It was like the first time I played. It's just different.
Chief, good ships are closing fast. We're out of time.
That you're right.
All ships, fire at will.
This is the way the world ends.
What did Truth just do? Did he activate the rings?
No, sir. But he certainly did something.
Evac wounded and regroup. Wherever Truth went. Sir, new contact slipping in.
What is it? More brutes?
Worse.
Not that. It said stop infections. Find Cortana, I think. It followed me home.
The flood. It's spreading all over the city.
How do we contain it?
Probably did.
Find the crashed flood ship. Overload its engine core. We either destroy the city or risk losing the entire planet.
Do it.
Chief, make your way to the crash site.
I hate these things.
All squad, report. Multiple contacts. Unknown. Air! Over there!
Really?
Surrounded, Sergeant.
Grove. Nothing.
Ow!
I don't know. I don't know.
Fall back! Fall back!
Sergeant! Come on!
Oh wow, the little head things look different. Or whatever these little.
Huh, you're throwing hurting balls, sir.
Get it off me, quick!
Way to go.
Could we have saved him? Some are bigger than others.
I gotta get out of here.
I know, bro. What's that? Oh. Oh, is that the sprint? Well, not the sprint. That's the ship fight. No, I'm not dealing with that. Oh, I have no ammo. Okay. I'll take this.
Chief, I can't trust you. It's not safe. The grave mind, it knows I'm.
I don't like that one. she appears, we get all slow. Especially when we're like in the middle of a fight or something. How did she?
At the door.
Got a flamethrower. This looks like you know those haunted in October? Oh.
That's what we need to do.
The LT, the sergeant, they were all infected.
Oh. My mom told me that we went to one
I
of
could see
those.
it crawling, sliding around beneath their skin. Oh.
That sucks.
And then they got up, started to talk. Oh God, their voices. Oh God.
This is the carrying shadow of Clear the circle. We'll be here with the flood.
See the leads? Those are friendly. Only that leads are friendly. But that looks like me.
I don't know which one's better, the sword or my flamethrower. Bless you. Bless you. Oh, I should have done what Cam says, or Peyton. It's Peyton. He goes, bless you, don't do it again. And then if he sees it again, and now you're dead. Oh my god, I think I got burned by one of those we're just gonna pretend that didn't happen. Doesn't really do anything but push more fire. They'll come back. There we go. You're done. You're done. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna keep going. No! Oh my gosh. That was scary. This flamethrower is not it. All it does is make everything better. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I died. What's Weekly Warriors? I got that,
Those are like achievements.
yeah, but what is that for? Oh my gosh, she scared me. I'm dying. I got the flamethrower back. No, this thing's so bad. I'm dropping that. Already. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I respawned here. He said, did you push? No. Dude, I didn't go that far enough. That's embarrassing. Slay. Dude, I can cold control. Actually, wait, no, help. Wait, oh my god, help me. I'm dying. Run! No! Save yourselves! Oh my god, so is a sword. I had a sword? I forgot about that. I forgot I had a sword. Oops, sorry, my bad. Sorry.
Hurry, demon! We seek the same prize, but our shipmaster will sacrifice all to stop the flood.
These ones are like super scary for some reason. What is that? Is it flying now? Oh my god. I'm not ready. Oh my gosh. I can't do this. Oh my goodness. No. What the heck? How did I die? I keep getting spawned. Oh my god. I'm dying. Oh, I'm coming. Outside? Wow. I literally said I can't die with this. Immediately dies. Oh my goodness. Actually, I've never seen that movie. Ew. Am I dying?
Do not be afraid. I am peace. I am salvation.
You don't want a sword? I wish you could.
That's pretty much the same thing as speedrun.
Okay. Oh yeah, anyway, like I was saying, my mom told me that we went to a haunted house in, I think, Knott's Berry Farm?
I am a timeless chorus. Join your voice with mine and sing victory everlasting.
And we were supposed to go in a haunted maze, and I got scared before we got in there. It was the cowboys that I was scared of.
Chief.
Cortana?
High Charity, the Prophet's holy city is on...
Cortana!
Reclaimer. I must act quickly before your construct suffers any further trauma.
Leave her alone.
If we do not take this device to a safe location, somewhere I can make repairs.
On Halo, you tried to kill Cortana. You tried to kill me.
Protocol dictated my response. She had the activation index, and you were going to destroy my installation. You did destroy my installation. Now I have only one function: to help you, Reclaimer, as I always should have done.
I would not believe him.
Will it live, Oracle? Can it be saved?
Uncertain. This storage device has suffered considerable trauma. Its matrices are highly unstable.
Perhaps one of our technicians.
That will not be necessary.
Chief.
Success!
Hi, Charity. The Prophet's holy city is on its way to Earth with an army of Flood. I can't tell you everything. It's not safe. The Gravemind, it knows I'm in the system.
It's just a message.
Let it play.
But it doesn't know about the portal, where it leads. On the other side, there's a solution, a way to stop the Flood, without firing the remaining Halo rings. Hurry, Chief. The Ark. There isn't much time.
I'm sorry.
No matter, Oracle. We've heard enough.
Our fight is through the portal. With the brutes and the bastard truth.
Fine. We'll remain here. Hold out as long as we can.
Did you not hear? Your world is doomed. A Flood army, a Gravemind, has you in its sights. You barely survived a small contamination.
And you, shipmaster, just glassed half a continent. Maybe the Flood isn't all I should be worried about.
One single Flood spore can destroy a species. Were it not for the Arbiter's Council, I would have glassed your entire planet.
Sir, with respect, Cortana has a solution.
Cortana? Did you see her condition? How damaged she is? She could be corrupted for all we know. Her solution could be a Flood trap.
We should go through the portal. Find out for sure.
What we should do, Commander, is understand, clearly, that this is humanity's final stand. Here, at Earth. We go, we risk everything. Every last man, woman, and child. If we stand our ground, we might just have a chance.
No. If your construct is wrong, then the Flood is already won.
I'll find Cortana's solution. And I'll bring it back.
Earth is all we have left. You trust Cortana that much?
Sir. Yes, sir.
This is either the best decision you've ever made or the worst. Hell of it is, Chief. I doubt I'll live long enough to find out which.
Uranus.
Okay, this is where we're gonna stop. We'll see you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.